Why do the rich keep getting richer while most people struggle financially their whole lives? Is it luck, or do they know something you don't? Money isn't just about hard work. It follows hidden laws that separate wealth from struggle. Today, we reveal 10 powerful money principles that most people will never learn. Master them, and you'll change your financial future forever. Number 1. Money loves authenticity. Most people chase money by copying what others are doing, but that rarely leads to real success. Why? Because wealth flows to those who create something unique and solve problems in new ways. Think about it. Would Elon Musk have built Tesla if he simply followed existing car companies? No. He disrupted the industry by doing what no one else dared to. The biggest mistake people make is trying to follow the exact path of successful individuals instead of using their own strengths. The truth is, money rewards originality. If you want to attract wealth, stop following trends and start thinking differently. Ask yourself, what problems can I solve? What skills do I have that others don't? Your unique perspective is your biggest advantage. Remember, the world doesn't need another copy of someone else's success. It needs your ideas, your creativity, and your innovation. Number 2, money is a game of exchange. Most people chase money, but the truth is, money follows value. The wealthy don't just work for a paycheck. They create something people want and get paid over and over again. Think about it. Would you rather get paid once for your time or continuously for something you built? The secret to unlimited income is providing value that keeps generating money. Businesses, investors, and entrepreneurs don't make money by chance. They solve problems. Every dollar someone earns comes from someone else's pocket in exchange for a product, a service, or an investment. Instead of asking, how can I make more money? Start asking, what value can I create that people will happily pay for? If you want to escape the cycle of working for money, start making money work for you. Focus on creating assets, solving real problems, and building things that bring continuous value. The more problems you solve, the richer you become. Number 3, let money work for you. If you stop working today, how long could you survive on your savings? For most people, the answer isn't long. That's because they trade time for money, and the moment they stop working, their income stops too. But the wealthy play a different game. They let money work for them by building income streams that never stop paying. Think about it. Rental properties, stocks, businesses, and digital assets keep earning even when you're not working. The rich don't just earn, they multiply their wealth by investing in things that grow over time. If you want to escape the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, start building assets, not just income. Every dollar you make should have a job to grow, multiply, and pay you forever. Number 4, money is earned through crisis. Crises don't destroy wealth, they shift it to those who are prepared. When the economy crashes, the stock market dips, and businesses struggle, the rich don't panic, they invest. Because assets that were once overpriced suddenly become affordable, creating golden opportunities for those who have cash ready. Warren Buffett puts it best: be greedy when others are fearful. Imagine buying a property worth $1 million for $700,000 during a downturn. While others wait in fear, a smart investor secures the deal and sells it for double when the market recovers. History has proven that every economic crisis eventually rebounds, making those who invest during tough times far wealthier than before. The key? Save when times are good, so you can buy when times are bad. Number 5. Money loves risk takers. Every great fortune started with a calculated risk. The biggest difference between the wealthy and everyone else. They take bold moves while others hesitate. Playing it safe might keep you comfortable, but it won't make you wealthy. The richest people in the world didn't wait for the perfect moment to invest, start a business, or take a chance. They acted when others doubted. But here's the secret. Not all risks are equal. The wealthy don't gamble. They take smart, well-researched risks that have a high chance of paying off. They invest in assets, businesses, and ideas that can grow over time, knowing that growth only happens outside the comfort zone. If you keep waiting until it's safe, you'll miss every opportunity. The real path to wealth? Bet on yourself, take educated risks, and step ahead while others hold back. Number 6. Money attracts. Money. Wealth isn't just about how much money you make. It's about who you surround yourself with. The rich don't just network for fun. They build relationships that open doors to new opportunities, investments, and knowledge. If you spend time with people who think big, take action, and build wealth, you'll naturally start thinking and acting the same way. But here's the reality. If your circle isn't growing, neither is your money. The wealthiest people aren't the smartest. They just know the right people who help them multiply their success. Every major financial opportunity, from real estate deals to business partnerships, happens within powerful networks. If you want to build wealth faster, start surrounding yourself with people who challenge, educate, and push you to the next level. Because in the end, the right connections don't just add value to your life, they create it. Number 7. Money loves to be controlled. If you don't control your money, it will control you. The difference between people who stay broke and those who build wealth isn't how much they earn, it's how well they manage what they have. The rich treat their personal finances like a business, tracking every dollar, setting budgets, and making sure their money is working for them. They don't guess where their money goes. They know. Think about it. No successful business operates without a budget or a financial plan. So why should your personal finances be any different? The wealthy plan their expenses, track their cash flow, and invest strategically to make their money grow. If you don't have a system in place, your money will disappear faster than you can make it. Wealth isn't just about making more. It's about protecting, multiplying, and keeping what you already have. When you take control of your money, you take control of your future. Number 8. Money is easy to get and harder to maintain. Making money is one thing, keeping it is another. That's why so many lottery winners go broke within a few years. They think a big paycheck means endless wealth, but without the right mindset and money management skills, even millions can disappear overnight. The truth is, wealth isn't about how much you make. It's about how well you handle what you have. Look at the richest people in the world. They don't just spend, they invest. They multiply their wealth by buying assets, growing businesses, and making smart financial decisions. If you spend every dollar you earn, it doesn't matter how much money you make, you'll always be one step away from being broke. The key to lasting wealth? Think long term, invest wisely, and never let money slip through your fingers. Number 9. Money hates spendthrifts. If you spend money as fast as you make it, you'll always be broke, no matter how much you earn. The wealthy understand a simple rule. Before you spend, you must save and invest. Poor money habits come from thinking that there will always be more money coming in. But the truth is, if you don't control your spending, your income will never be enough. Look at how rich people manage their wealth. They pay themselves first by investing, then use what's left for expenses. Meanwhile, most people do the opposite. They spend first and try to save whatever is left, which is usually nothing. If you want financial security, make saving and investing non-negotiable. Because in the end, wealth isn't about how much you make. It's about how much you keep and grow. Number 10. Money loves secrecy. The richest people in the world aren't the ones showing off their money. They understand that real wealth grows in silence. Flashy cars, designer clothes, and expensive jewelry might look like signs of success, but more often, They're signs of poor money management. The truly wealthy don't waste money trying to impress others. They protect and multiply their wealth quietly. Look at billionaires like Warren Buffett. He still lives in the same house he bought decades ago. Why? Because he knows that wealth isn't about looking rich. It's about being financially free. The more people know about your money, the more they'll expect favors, handouts, or try to take advantage. Instead of seeking attention, focus on growing your investments, securing your future, and building quiet, generational wealth that lasts. Mastering these 10 money laws can transform your financial future. Wealth isn't luck, it's knowledge and action. Which law surprised you the most? Comment below. If you found this valuable, like, share, and subscribe for more powerful financial insights. See you in the next video.